All right, welcome back, YouTube. What is going down, guys? In today's video, I have an amazing thing to share with you guys. And I wanted to just briefly go over that what I'm about to teach you will make you a pretty good income, maybe even a full-time income. But if you really want to create a sustainable business, something that will take you in the long term in the future, check out my number one recommendation in the link below. And let's move on to this method. All right, so what are you going to learn? We're going to learn how to create a business without actually doing the work, right? What does that mean? That means arbitrage, right? There's your first clue. Second clue, anytime that you watch any of these videos with Make Money Online, look up here in these tabs, and that's going to tell you pretty much what's going on. But I'm going to keep going like you didn't know that, all right? Step number 2, how to find a hungry market that's already dying to buy from you, right? Can you do this? This is the number one question that most people get. You could do this from anywhere in the world. You could do this from India, China, Venezuela, Turkey, Hungary, whatever. Doesn't really matter. As long as you have an internet connection, you can do this. Which brings me to number 2. You can do this from your mobile phone. I'm going to say most circumstances you can do this from your mobile phone. I can't imagine where you possibly couldn't unless you didn't have an internet connection. So that's, I guess, the catch right there. And if you stick to the end, I'm going to show you how you can 10x your earnings, how you can smash this, break it wide open, and actually make this a full-time income. Alrighty? So if you didn't figure it out, we're going to sell a particular service on forums, and we're going to get those people to do those services on Fiverr and sites like Fiverr, right? Now, you've seen this before. You've seen arbitrage. Before you click off, just follow along, right? So on Fiverr, people will do things for $5 or whatever, right? My 10, 20, they have basic, premium, gold, platinum, dragon now. Well, this is a particular internet marketing forum called Black Hat World, right? These guys are fanatical about making money, about money-making methods. They are amazing, right? So if you see right here is the marketplace, right? Now, this is an internet marketing forum, so they're worried about content, hosting, images, proxies, link building, social media, website design. So they're really into anything that you would need to do to create an online business, right? And these guys need services done. They need it done. They need a good, reputable person that they know that they can trust, right? And you just need to be that person for them, right? So you don't even have to know how to do any of this, right? You can literally find this stuff over on Fiverr. Now, I'm not going to search for any specific whatever. Obviously, you know that they're on Fiverr. So like digital marketing, so writing and translation right there. You know, you got creative writing. I'm not searching. I'm still not searching, just in case somebody is going to be like, oh, you said you were going to search. But you did email copy is really big. But as you can see, like anything right here, you can resell in here, right? So how do you get over here? So basically, you're going to have to buy a marketplace. I can't remember exactly what they call it, but it's basically a selling license. I think it's $99, and it allows you to post your own thread. It's called a BTM, Black Hat Sales Thread, BST, and it allows you to basically launch your own business. So you can literally be a content mill where you hire a staff, say of 20 or so writers, and as you get content requests from people here, you send it to them, and maybe you hire an editor that takes it a step up from the India-esque type people that are broken English. And no offense to you guys do a kick-ass job of hustling, but I mean, truth be told, I mean, your English skills are a little lacking sometimes. And hey, you know what? At least you learn English. I didn't learn. I'm not even sure what it is. Indian. I feel kind of stupid. Anyways, You can literally hire somebody to do that, or you could do it yourself. Doesn't really matter. But these guys are paying some serious money to get content written, right? I've seen upwards of $400 per piece, right? So a lot of these are, by the word. So you're paying like $2 for 500 words, kind of stuff like that. $2.50 for something, or $1.50 for 100 words, $3.50 for 500 words. So now some of this is low level content that's made for websites that they're using to rank other websites. It's not their money site. But you can see here that you're not doing any of the work, right? So a lot of these guys, and by the way, they're not just ordering one article for 100 and you make $1.50. No, they're ordering like, 20, 30, 50 articles at a time. And you can come over to Fiverr and hire one guy or 10 guys or whatever to fulfill those orders, right? Cool trick number 2, right? So this is SEO Clerk, right? They do everything cheaper. Bam. So SEO Clerks is definitely a kind of a step down. So you gotta really vet who you're working with on here. But it'll get the job done. I use a lot of the services here. As you can tell, I already got stuff that I have bought. So literally it's like 50% off, like whatever, 50 to I mean, I've seen it as much as 90% cheaper than on Fiverr. Something that will go for Fiverr for $5 or $10, it'll do for $1, right? Sorry, I'm a little parched. So just to recap, you're going to basically go to Fiverr or SEO Clerks, and you're going to go over to Black Hat World, open up a sales thread, and have at it, right? So here's what the little trick is, right? Here's your 10x. Here's what you stay to the end of the video for, right? It doesn't have to be Black Hat World. You don't have to come to Black Hat World and start up a sales thread and do arbitrage, right? You can go to any forum on the internet. They're going to have a marketplace, right? And in that marketplace, you can sell services. It doesn't matter the niche. Literally, you can come over to Google and you can type in whatever niche, we'll do reselling forums. You just do reselling and forums, and you're going to get a list of whatever forums there are there. So reselling shoes, Side Hustle Nation, right? So you got Reddit, online seller forum, right? So I deal a lot in eBay, right? So I bet you I can go into any one of these forums, and there's going to be a marketplace where I can sell my particular set of skills for a lot of money, right? So it can be anything. It could be cooking, it could be swimming. And then you just go, so Fiverr and SEO Clerks might not be applicable there, right? You might not be able to get services from Fiverr or SEO Clerks to sell on a cooking channel or a swimming channel. So here's what you do. You go into a forum that you're really interested in. It doesn't matter what the topic is. It could be anything, right? It could be law of attraction. It could be blah, blah, blah. It could be karate, right? See what they're talking about, right? Go into the marketplace, see what other people are selling, right? And then go find a place that is going to do it for cheaper. And there are tons of places that will do it for you, right? And that's all you have to do. I know that that's a little vague, but I can't spell it out for every single niche, right? So if you needed a karate technique written down or something along that lines, go over to the marketplace and see who's selling it, right? And then search, that exact thing in Google and see if somebody's selling it cheaper somewhere, right? Maybe go to a different forum and see who's selling it. Maybe there's a seller over at forum B that's selling it cheaper than the guy in forum A, and you just play the middleman, right? So it doesn't have to be internet marketing. It doesn't have to be in the make money online niche. I think that's why a lot of you subscribe and want to get into my channel deeper. And so that's why I use that Again, it doesn't even have to be Black Hat World with Make Money Online. There are plenty of amazing forums. If you do, Make Money Online, Make Money Online forums. I'm pretty sure Black Hat's going to be at the top, but Warrior Forum's another good one. You got Beer Money Forum on Reddit. That's pretty good. There's just tons of them. You're going to have CPA Elites. And then you have all these right here that can give you more ideas. So maybe you don't want to, Black Hat World is by far, hands down, the best, and it's worth the $100 investment, but maybe you don't have $100 right now. So you try something else. Try one of the other forums and then move your way up and maybe start a thread in Black Hat World, right? So the way that you 10x this is to join all the forums and have sales threads in all the forums, right? So I don't know if that's going to exactly 10x, but if you had, say, one sales forum that you knew that it worked in, if you had 20 other sales threads, then that's where it's really going to start to open up. And what you do is you start building a list, right? So you have people that are interested in your service, you get them onto your email list. And for that, you're going to need Builderall, right? And this is where we're transitioning from just a side hustle into a full-time income. That's going to be my number one recommendation. If you want to learn how to transition this, go check out the link below. Guys, I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you tick the little bell icon so that you get all of my videos when I release them. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.